With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Our question is the domain of the function psi x is equals to 1 by x plus 2 power sine inverse of x plus 1 upon under root x minus 2 is. Okay, so this is our function and we have to find the domain of this function. Okay, this function consists of three functions: 1 by x, 2 power sine inverse of x, and 1 upon under root x minus 2. Okay, so assume this function to be f of x, and assume this function to be g of x, and assume this function to be h of x. Okay, and I have to find the domain of these all the function one by one, and then I have to do the intersection of their domain. Okay, so the domain of 1 by x. Okay, so this defined for all value of x except 0. Okay, x should not be fx equals to 1 by x. Okay, so this function is only defined when x is not equals to 0. Okay, this function is defined on all value of x other than 0. Okay, so I can write here domain of fx is all real value of x minus 0. Okay, because x should not be equals to 0. And for gx I can write here gx is equals to, okay, 2 power sine inverse of x. Okay, so the domain of sine inverse of x is, okay, so I write here domain of sine inverse of x is from -1 to 1. Okay, and this function, this hx function is only defined when x minus 2 is greater than 0. Okay, so I can write here hx is only defined when x minus 2 is greater than 0. Okay, so from here I can say x is greater than 2. Okay, so this function domain, so hx belongs to, okay, so this function, so I write here not x belongs to, so hx, okay, hx domain is from 2 to infinity, and I have to find the domain of, so I write here domain of psi x. Okay, this given function that is equals to domain of fx intersection domain of gx intersection domain of hx. Okay, so the domain of fx is all real value of x except 0 r minus 0, and intersection domain of gx is from -1 to 1, intersection 2 to infinity, so from here we get the intersection is 5. Okay, because no value is common. This says greater than 2. Okay, and this says in between -1 to 1. Okay, so from these two we can say the value is 5, so we can do intersection of 5 with anything, the value remains 5. Okay, so the correct option is option 4, none of these. Okay, so thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.